Hey guys, welcome back to once again my channel. I hope you're doing well. There are countless ideas and most beautiful reviews for girls and women's ideas and beautiful styles design for neck scarf, women latest fashion and styling with a hair cap, crochet hair cap and neck scarf. Crocheting a hair cap and neck scarf can be a fun creativity project or a brief over view of how to crochet both items. To crochet hair cap and neck scarf, you will need basic crochet skills and some yarns and crochet hooks. Harara simplified guide. Choose the yarn and crochet hook size. Will want a lightweight and breathable yarn for a hair cap. Start with a foundation and that matches the circumference of the head you're making the cap for. Make sure it's a multiple or your thread stitches, usually single crochet pattern, and join the ends to form a circle and work in rounds. And select the yarn and crochet hook. You can use a thinner yarn and a smaller hook for a delicate neck scarf. Begin with a foundation chain. The length of the chain will determine the width of your scarf. And choose a stitch pattern, double crochet, shell stitch or a lacy pattern, and work the scarf in a row. Remember to adjust the size, stitch pattern and color to match your preference. Crochet pattern for this instance can be found. Review the crochet books provide delicate instruction and stitch counts for different style and size. And the latest fashion collection of clothing design. Experiment with different fabric and to create a unique textile pattern. And a fashionable scarf for women can be a delight project or a simple guide to get to start. And beautiful vibrant color and eye-catching look. Latest women fashion styles. Guys, please feel free to ask for comment section for your feedback.